are going to talk about relating with nature and how do we relate to the nature. We are in Tallahassee in Florida, in a suburb nearby the nature. There are 3 easy steps to help us to feel we are part of the nature, and nature, the universe is our home. One is to spare time in our busy lives. Spend as much time as we can being in the nature. Sometimes alone, sometimes with other people, sometimes maybe combining a little bit of work with being in the nature. The second step is to know more about the nature. Learn more about the aspects of nature that interests us most. Knowledge is part of developing more interest. Interest is part of curiosity. Curiosity leads to exploring further, and all that brings us closer to the nature. And the third step is to make this as frequently as possible, both the learning part and being in the nature part, so that in time we are going to develop a habit of being in the nature, making observations, listening, seeing more in depth, seeing things that we haven't seen before, noticing something that was not there before, and feeling closer in an in-depth relationship with the nature. And if we do that frequently enough, as much as we can, of course, then we will develop the habit of visiting nature, being in the nature, observing the sky, the universe, observing the plant life, the animal life, observing ourselves as part of the nature, going inside and feeling at home in the nature. It seems easy, it's fun, and the rest takes care of itself.